Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through likely questions people ask around, like why can't I transfer money from Apple Pay to my debit card. So in this video I'm going to provide you a simple solution on how to fix Apple Pay not transferring to debit card. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button, cause that actually helps me out. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to check if your debit card supports instant transfer. So to check for this, you have to go to the wallet app, then tap Apple Cash Card, then tap on more, which is the three dot icon, then click on transfer to bank. Then if your card isn't listed, it doesn't support instant transfer, so try another Visa or Mastercard debit card if available. Then you can also ensure you have enough balance on your wallet. So to check this, you have to open your wallet app, then tap on Apple Cash Card and check your balance, just to ensure that to be sure you have enough balance on your wallet. And also you can also verify your identity. To do this, you have to open your wallet app, then tap on the Apple Cash Card, then click on more, which is the three dot icon, then verify your identity. Then also you can check for transfer limit. A max limit is $10,000 per transfer and 20,000 per week. So try sending a smaller amount, just not to avoid exceeding your transfer limit. And also you can use the standard transfer instead. So go to the wallet app, then tap on Apple Cash Card, then transfer to bank and select the type of bank that you want to send your money to. And this actually works between 1 to 3 days business days, and that's how you can simply fix Apple Pay not transferring to debit card. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thank you.